Video product review of the Philips Sonicare OptimalClean Sonic Toothbrush. I don't know what that is. I bought this at Costco. Item number 2858210. So it's got the lithium ion battery. Years ago, if you look at my channel, years and years ago, I owned a Philips Sonicare. And they used, I don't even remember what they used. I don't know if they used a NiCad battery. And they were built in obsolescence. They were built so that after about a year or so, the battery would stop holding a charge and you had to throw these things away. And they cost a fortune then. And so I put a video on how to replace that battery with your own NiCad. And so if you have an old Philips Sonicare and you want to try, if you're good technically and you want to try it, I got a couple of videos on how to attempt to open the thing up and put in a new battery. It works. It's got tens of thousands of views, and a lot of people have saved money replacing a battery instead of having to buy this. This is a newer model, probably much better technology since when I bought these years ago. Pressure sensor, I don't care about the pressure sensor. Pressure sensor usually means that if you're pressing too hard, then it will make a sound or something will happen. If you're pressing too hard and you don't know how to brush your teeth, you probably should not be using a toothbrush, let alone a computer. Whiter teeth in 1 week, come on now. Nothing makes your teeth white. A toothbrush is not going to make your teeth white. They shouldn't be saying that. 600% more plaque removal versus a manual. Advanced sonic technology. This one, 2 brushes, 2 chargers, 2 intensities, soft and normal. What else is there? Like all of these electric toothbrushes, they've got the quadra thing. Every 15 seconds it makes a little beep or it does something so that you know to move it to another section of your mouth. For me, I don't really go by the 15-second. What I do, not part of the review, what I do is I lay down on the sofa or the bed and I just close my eyes and I brush my teeth. And it might take me a couple minutes, but I really enjoy it. Brush head replacements. These things are not cheap, I'll tell you. They cost a lot of money. If you're a member of Costco or Sam's Club, pick them up there. You'll get a much better deal. Buy it in a big package. 14-day ion battery. Hopefully that's true. Hopefully I never have to replace this. I bought this. It's a good deal. It was on sale. I'm going to give one to my mom. I'm going to keep one. I've been using Oral-B for a long time. So why did I switch from Sonicare? Number one, I didn't like having to replace the toothbrush every couple of years. I didn't like having to mess with the battery, and that was an intentional thing. What businesses do that. You build something that in a couple of years it's going to need to be replaced so you can sell another one. And then I tried the Oral-B. The Oral-B is the one that's got the little round brush, and I brushed my teeth, and I went, God, I just love this. My teeth feel so much cleaner. The dentist said I was doing a really good job. He was happy with it. And then I got... So I've been using the Oral-B. I don't feel like my teeth are as clean as they used to be. When I brush them, they don't have that clean feeling that I used to enjoy. And I tested out on my channel an ultrasonic or a sonic toothbrush, and I went, wow, what? It's just a wonderful feeling. It's a really nice feeling. I was able to lay down on the bed for I lost track of time brushing my teeth, and I enjoyed it. Let me open up the box. Hold on. They make these so that if you try to open it, they're going to know that you opened it. As I was saying, I was brushing my teeth with a sonic brush, and I just loved the feeling. My teeth felt clean. My gums felt good. And the nice thing about a sonic brush, not that the Oral-B is bad. I've been using the Oral-B for years, and I love it. The thing about the sonic brush... Okay, when you're using let me show you. I'm going to show you. Hold on. I know this is a review of the Sonicare, but this is the Oral-B. And it's a good brush. In the commercials where they say, my dentist uses a circular thing. Well, that's true. The dentist does use a circular thing. So, and it feels good. It's a great brush. It's a big brush. It's not huge, but it's a big brush, and it's covering a big area. And when you use it, you definitely feel it. The battery's dying, I can hear it. And so it's covering a large area, and it's rotating. Now I'm going to show you the Sonic brush. I should be showing you the Sonicare, but I'm going to show you the Sonic brush just so you can see what I'm talking about. It's a vibration. It's a light sonic vibration, so there's not something pressing and going around. It's pulsating, and it's almost like a massager or a vibrator. It's very relaxing on the gums and the teeth, and it does a really nice job. So let me take out the Sonicare now, and we'll see what's in here. I do want to say there is nothing wrong with using a manual toothbrush. It's been done for tens of thousands of millions of years, and it's fine. So there's nothing wrong with it. If you can afford to buy an Oral-B, there is one charger, there's the second charger over there. If you can afford to buy the Oral-B, go for it. If you can afford the Sonicare, go for it. As I said, I had the Sonicare, then I bought the Oral-B, and I'm buying the Sonicare again. Doesn't mean that I'm going to get rid of the Oral-B. I have tons of brushes for that, and I think what I'm going to be doing in the long run is using both of them. And that's totally fine. Looks like all of these are the same style brush. They did not give a variety, and that is okay. Let's place this in here. Let me open up my sack of brushes and pull this out. Hopefully, yeah, they've got a little plastic cover on there so it's not damaged. And I don't know if you have to turn this to put this on. You used to just press it on. Does it have to be turned on right now? Nope, just presses on. A nice fit, nice feeling. It's a much smaller brush. Look at that. The brush head is much smaller. So if you have a small mouth, it's going to be easier to use than the Oral-B. If you want to get behind the molars, I think they're the molars, and I don't remember what the other back teeth are. This is going to be a lot easier to get this behind the back teeth. What do we have here? We got clean and white. Again, I don't see how in the world a toothbrush is going to make your teeth white. We've got the on button. I'm trying to figure out how you change the intensity. We got something over here. I hope this isn't Wi-Fi. I hope this doesn't talk to your internet connection. It's a little charger button. This is the speed button, the intensity. Listen to this. So that's low. That's the higher speed. I'm not sure how you get it into the... It just made that little sound. You heard it make the sound, which these are probably letting you know that it needs to be charged. That's the battery, and I'm assuming this light is too much pressure, or I don't know, because I don't know. I haven't read the instructions. I don't know how to get it to the white setting. Here we go. I read the instructions. So this little thing over here means that it's got some type of brush head technology that only works with certain brushes that they sell. It will measure how often you use it and the pressure against your teeth, and then it will let you know when you need to replace the brush head. I'm guessing that any of their brush heads will work, but if you want to have the one that measures all of that, then you want to get this type of brush with the symbol on here. You can deactivate that notification that your brush needs to be replaced if you want to. You can also, okay, we have two different cleanings. We've got the regular clean, which gives you a 2-minute clean. We have the white clean, which gives you a 2-minute and 30-second clean. This is the battery thing. I think this tells you when you have to change the brush. So, again, like I was showing you, this is the on-off button. That's the low speed. That's the high speed. If you want to go with, and that's clean, if you want to change the settings to the white, you press this button before you turn it on. Wow, listen to that. Sounds completely different. I don't know if it's going to make a difference, as I said, but I'm going to test it out right now. I'm going to clean the brush under water, and I'm going to test it, and I'm going to let you know what my opinion is. If you want to buy this thing, I bought it at Costco. I'll try to find it on Amazon. I'll leave an affiliate link for you. And if there is one, and if not, click on my other affiliate links before you shop on Amazon. And don't forget to donate PayPal info is in the video description. Let me clean this off, and here we go. Everything's clean. So as I said, you can turn off the brush replacement reminder. You can turn off the too much pressure on your gums notification. What that is if you press too hard on your gums or against your teeth and your gums, this will change the speed or do something to let you know that something's not right and you need to take the pressure off. You can disable that if you want. And there was a third thing. Oh, the quadrant beeping. Every 15 seconds it will beep or it will do something. Usually these things go beep. How do you like my beep? So you can disable that too. I'm going to try this right now on clean. The battery's dead. I don't know if I can do that. I'm going to try it on the clean mode low, and then I'm going to try it on the clean mode high, and then I'm going to try it on the white mode low and the white mode high. Let's see if I can get this going. Okay, so we're on clean. I'm going to turn this on. I'm just going to let you look at this beautiful thing while I give you my opinion. I love it. I love it. I love it. I will say that the low speed on the clean mode is what I'm used to. Very relaxing. It's quiet. It does a nice vibration against the gums and easy to enjoy. The high speed is probably going to be too rough for most people. Maybe you would use that if you're in a rush and you want to get your teeth clean really fast. I'm going to let you hear the sound. First you're going to hear the low speed and then you're going to hear the high speed. We're on the clean mode right now. Is clean still flashing? It's not flashing there. Okay, clean is flashing. Battery is definitely showing that it's low because I just got it. Let's test this out on the low. Here we go, low, and then I'm going to go to the high one. Oh, that's the high speed. Listen to that. Woo! It remembers what you left off with. That is way too powerful. It feels good. Oh, yeah. I love that in my mouth. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Now I'm going to go to the lower speed. Much quieter. Your neighbors are not going to wonder what's going on. Very nice. Very nice. It just made that little ing, a little beep, and it switched over for the 15 seconds. Let me turn this off. This is nice. Let me go switch over to the clean mode now. So you press this button, to the white mode, and then I'm going to turn it on. I think it's going to be on the low speed, and then I'm going to go to the high speed after that. We're going to power it on. A little bit of a vibration. A little It is a little bit faster than the clean slow speed. In fact, I like it. I think I like it a lot better. It is in between the clean slow speed and the clean high speed. It's really nice. Okay, it made a little beep. Now I'm going to go over to the high speed. Oh boy, is that powerful. Yeah. Not as relaxing, but it's definitely doing a number on the cleaning. You really need to make sure you don't press hard when you're using this brush. Okay, I'm almost done with the review. It's wonderful. It really is. It's a totally different feeling compared to the Oral-B. And I'm very big on oral hygiene. So I'm going to be using both brushes, probably both brushes during the same day. My mouth just feels so clean, so it has the same feeling that I get after I leave the dent. After the hygienist cleans your teeth and you move your tongue around, the tip of your tongue around your teeth, and you go, wow, that's why I spent an hour in this chair suffering, because it feels incredible. Everything's finally clean. And of course, the next day that's gone. But this toothbrush really makes that feeling come back. Totally a good product. Try to find it on sale if you can. If you can't, buy the thing $70, $100, whatever. You only get one set of teeth. Take care of them. I think you're going to be happy with this. Let me get the box again. This is the Philips. Camera doesn't want to go over there. The Philips Sonicare. Philips Sonicare. There we are. Philips Sonicare OptimalClean. I'm happy with it. It's a good product. Definitely buy it. If you can find this, buy the thing and use it. You will be very happy. You will notice the difference after your first what's the, I can't remember, a dental cleaning is called a prophylaxis. So after your self-prophylaxis, you will really notice a difference. I just did that. Imagine that this is the bottom of my mouth. This is the front area. The tongue's over here. I just did this area where we all get all that buildup of plaque and tartar. What a difference. Boy, does that feel good. Thanks for watching, everybody.